Hey friends, welcome back. Today we're making a boot game in Scratch and this is the part 1. So let's start by setting up our UI. First thing I'm going to do is to delete this default sprites. Then I'm going to add a backdrop. I'll pick this blue sky to backdrop. And then I'll go to the backdrop tab. And right here I'm going to look for fill. Change it to blue. So, okay. I think it's so much. Let's reduce it a bit. Let's still reduce it a bit. Yeah, I think this is better now. I don't know if it looks like a stream, but I think it's better. So after that, the next thing to do is to go to variable. And create a variable called score. Now that we've created our score variable, let's go back to our backdrop tab quickly and duplicate this. Now that we've duplicated this, let's first rename this to game over. And then we're going to add a text. So when you just pick like this pixel, I'm gonna write scale over. And then let's change the color to red. Okay. Now increase the size. So let's bring it in. Say game over. We'll use this to. Okay. Now we have our second backdrop. Now remember we've created a variable called score. So the next thing we need to do now is we need to increment the score, or at least write the code to increment the score. So let's come to control. Let's pick variable, event, when green flag clicked, and then go back to variables and pick change variable score by 1. And you go click on this. Okay, that is too fast. So let me come back to control and pick 1. And then click on this. Now you can see it is now reading by 1. It was because we did not wait 1 second. That's why the value got there. So let me come back to variables and pick set my variable to 0. Then click on this. Now you can see that it is reading normally now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and like that. Now these are the first things that we need to do. Now nice, we've got 2 backdrops and a working score. And the next thing we're going to do is to add our borders. See you in the next video.